Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us remind each other mixed numbers division. We have 9 and a quarter divided by 3 and a third. The first thing that we are going to do, we are going to change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. That is 4 multiplied by 9, 36 plus 1, we got 37 over 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, 9 plus 1, we got 10. That is 10 over 3. The second step, we are going to keep the first fraction, that is 37 over 4. We are going to change the sign into multiplication. Then we are going to flip the second fraction. That is going to be 3 over 10. There is no room to simplify here, so we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. That is going to be 37 multiplied by 3. We get 111 over 4 multiplied by 10. We get 40. This is improper fraction, so we are going to make it mixed number. We are going to divide by long division. The numerator will come inside, and the denominator, we are going to bring it out. 111 divided by 40, it will go by 2 to give us 80. We'll take away, here we get 1, 11 take away 8, remain 3. So our answer is going to be 2 whole number, remain 31 over 40. And this is our answer. I hope you understand. For more questions on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.